Hello, today I'm going to show you where to find the OBD2 slot and how to delete the failure codes of your Ford Focus EcoBoost. Let's open the driver's side and go to the pedals, and at the left side there it is a clamp. This clamp we have to bend a little bit inside, and then we are able to extract the clamp, and behind that clamp there it is the OBD port. Now plug in and have a look with some failure codes, and there's one P0301. Let's go to delete the failure codes and have a look because of the failure codes, and then you're able to have a look inside your car electronic and computer system. That's nice and easy. If you deleted every failure code and have a look to some inside things of your electronic parts, you have only to go back and then unplug the plug and push the cover back in position by bending it a little bit inside and slip it in. Good job. Easy going, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.